first grade. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. I hope that you are more than ready for this day. Welcome back to our English class. Please, I want you to open your AMCO book on page 56, purple section. We are going to listen to the following listening comprehension.
Nature's Day. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to Susie's explanation, then mark the correct box.
Susie, please tell the class what you and your family do for Nature's Day.
Well, on Nature's Day, I always make a card to hang on our apple tree. My mom invites the entire family to our house. My dad gets a big bouquet of flowers for my mom, and my brother and I plant a vegetable garden in the backyard.
That is a great way to celebrate Nature's Day, Susie. Thank you.
It's time for you to complete the following activity from 1 to 4. Remember that if you need to go back and listen again to the listening comprehension, you can do it. I will give you time to do it. Very good if you're done with the following activity. Here you have the answers of these exercises. Please turn to page 58. We are going to listen to a story of Nature Day. Ready, ready, ready?
Nature Day celebration. It will soon be Nature Day. Susie is making a big Nature Day card to hang on the apple tree in the backyard. Susie's mom invites the entire family to the house to celebrate Nature Day. Susie's dad gets a big bouquet of flowers for Susie's mom. Susie and her brother plant a vegetable garden in the backyard.
Please turn to page 60. We are going to complete together the Check Your Understanding. And the instruction says, circle the correct answer to complete the sentences. Then write the answer in the box. Number 1. Susie makes a blank to celebrate Nature Day. Card. B. Letter. C. Drawing. Susie makes a card. Number 2. There is an blank tree in the backyard. A. Pumpkin. B. Apple. C. Lemon. There is an apple tree in the backyard. Number 3. Blank. Invites the family to celebrate. Mom invites the family to celebrate. Number 4. Blank. Brings a bouquet of flowers. A. Mom. B. Dad. C. Susie. B. Dad brings a bouquet of flowers. Number 5. Susie plants a garden with her. A. Mom. B. Brother. C. Dad. B. Brother. Number 6. The family is celebrating A. Nature Day. B. Family Day. C. Flower Day. The family is celebrating Nature Day. Very good if you're done with page 60, first grade. I hope you got all your answers correct. Now I want you to go to page 61. I want you to complete on your own the Going Deeper. And as always, first grade, we are done for today. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.